Hello educators, welcome to online training on how to use most of our tools on AI Teacher. And today we are going to be using the AI Teacher Lesson Planner. Let me show you how it works. When you log into your dashboard, your AI Teacher dashboard, you scroll down to My Tools. There you're going to see all our tools, just as I do tell you, 40 plus tools just to make teachers' life easier. Then scroll down to Lesson Planner. After it loads, you're going to see what they wrote there. It is a tool to help plan lessons based on curriculum requirements. And when we are talking about curriculum, it is any curriculum in any country, be you in Nigeria, Ghana, Kenya, USA, Canada, UK, just name the country. All curriculum are on AI Teacher app. So let's enter the subject we want to work on today. We are working on chemistry. I'm choosing the grade of grade 11, or let's use a grade of grade 12. That's SS3 in Nigeria here, just like we do call it. So grade 12. So the topic we are going to work on today is chemical reactions. So country curriculum, just like I told you, we have all the countries curriculum on our app. So you just have to choose the one you want. So we are using Nigeria for the country curriculum. It's going to load the curriculum type. And most curriculum type that is used in Nigeria is the American Nigeria blended curriculum. So that's what we are choosing. So the objective of what we are doing, our objective here for the student is to understand chemical reaction. So you're going to type it there, understand chemical reactions. So assessment type, let's say we just want to be giving them class assessment or weekly assignment. So we were going with weekly assignment. So the previous knowledge, let's see, they have little knowledge because they are in SS3. We should not say they don't have any knowledge at all. So in my previous video, if you watch it, you will notice I said the upload file is optional. If you have any file you want to upload to add to what result you are going to get, you upload it. But if you don't, you're good to go. Just click on submit and let AI Teacher do its magic. As you can see, in just 30 seconds, our result is out and it is so detailed. Lesson plan, chemical reactions, grade 12, American Nigerian blended curriculum and Nigerian national curriculum. This is a duration for 1 week, that's 5 sessions, and the topic is chemical reactions. That means you're taking this topic for 1 week and it's 5 sessions. So assessments, weekly assignments specified by the teacher. Lesson objective, it's there. By the end of this unit, students will be able to understand the concepts, identify different types, and so much more. Then goes down to lesson outline and session breakdown. Day one, first day, you teach them the subtopics, definition of chemical reactions, difference between chemical reactions, signs of chemical reactions, importance of chemical reactions. Then you go down to advantages, discussions, and then some examples from everyday life. Then you scroll down, day two, types of chemical reaction, part one, that's combination, and decomposition reactions. You scroll down, check other contents, activities. Day three, subtopics, content, activities. Day four also comes out with subtopics, the content and activities. Day five, how to write and balance chemical equations. I guess that's where everybody I always has issues with, because even when I was in school, then balancing chemical equations was very hard, but still yet I scaled through because I don't give up. So let's go down, scroll down to the content, activities. Then sweetest part is it shows you your class notes, the chemical reactions. What is a chemical reaction? Characteristics of chemical reaction, types of chemical reactions with their equations, decomposition reactions, single displacement reactions, double displacement reactions, and combustion reactions. Everything is there, well written and complete. Then it provides you with your weekly assignment and additional notes. You have to encourage your students to bring examples of chemical reactions they observe from home for discussion, so that you can make the class more fun for the students. So after this, that's the end of the lesson plan. As you can see, it is well detailed and you can use it for a week. Your day one to day five is planned out already. As I usually say to you, educators, you can download as a PDF, save to history, or edit with Zaira if you have other things to add to it. So why don't you try out the lesson planner tool on AI Teacher now, and let's see how it does it for you. But I will assure you it's going to make your teaching easier and you don't have to think much or to plan much ahead. So try it out today and give your comments in the section. Bye.